Did you know that heart disease is the leading cause of death worldwide? Shocking, right? Every year, nearly 18 million people die from heart-related issues, and many of these cases are preventable. The good news is that simple changes in your diet can have a powerful impact on your heart health. Imagine if you could lower your risk of a heart attack just by adding certain foods to your plate. Research shows that some foods can actually help unclog your arteries and keep your heart healthy. In fact, eating just one serving of these heart-friendly foods a day can make a significant difference. In this video, we'll explore surprising foods that can cleanse your arteries, the link between gut health and your heart, and the magic of spices and teas that can boost your heart health. You'll learn about powerful ingredients like pomegranate and turmeric that may not be on your radar but can transform your heart health. Get ready to discover simple strategies that can help you live longer and feel better. Let's dive in and unlock the secrets to a healthy heart. Chapter 1: Nature's Artery Scrubbers. Surprising foods you didn't know about. When we think about heart health, we often focus on cutting out the bad stuff. But what if adding the right foods could scrub your arteries clean? Nature offers us some surprising tools for maintaining a healthy heart, and they're sitting in your grocery store. One of the most powerful artery scrubbers is pomegranate. Studies have shown that drinking pomegranate juice can reduce arterial plaque by up to 30% in just a year. That's not something you hear about every day. It's packed with antioxidants that not only prevent damage to the walls of your arteries but also help reverse it. Pomegranates increase nitric oxide production, which helps blood flow more freely. Another underrated food for your heart is turmeric. This golden spice has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, is a natural anti-inflammatory. Studies suggest it can help reduce the buildup of plaque in the arteries. In fact, a study in atherosclerosis found that curcumin could lower the cholesterol levels that contribute to clogged arteries. And don't forget about beets. Beets are rich in nitrates, which convert to nitric oxide in your body. This opens up your blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more freely. Some research shows that beet juice can improve blood flow by up to 21% in just a few hours. That's like giving your arteries a quick tune-up. Eating these foods regularly can be a great strategy for anyone looking to improve their heart health. Instead of waiting for issues to arise, you're actively working to keep your arteries clean and clear. Chapter 2: Gut Health to Heart Health. The microbiome connection. It might sound strange, but the road to a healthy heart starts in your gut. Scientists have found that the bacteria in your gut directly affect your heart health. The gut microbiome, often called your second brain, plays a critical role in reducing inflammation and keeping your arteries healthy. Did you know that nearly 70% of your immune system is housed in your gut? When your gut is healthy, it keeps inflammation low, which is key to preventing plaque from building up in your arteries. One food that supports gut health is fermented foods. Things like sauerkraut, kimchi, and kefir are loaded with probiotics, the good bacteria your gut needs to thrive. Studies from the American Heart Association have linked gut health to lower cholesterol levels and reduced risk of heart disease. The secret weapon here is fiber. Not only does fiber keep your digestion regular, but it also feeds the good bacteria in your gut. Foods like oats, beans, and apples are high in soluble fiber, which helps lower LDL cholesterol, sometimes called the bad cholesterol. A Harvard study found that people who eat a high-fiber diet have a 15% to 20% lower risk of heart disease. Probiotic-rich foods also help reduce inflammation, which is a big deal when it comes to heart health. Inflammation is like rust building up in your arteries. Over time, it leads to blockages. But by improving your gut health, you're working from the inside out to keep your heart healthy. Chapter 3: Green Gold, Leafy Secrets to a Healthy Heart. Everyone talks about spinach and kale, but what about the leafy greens you're missing? Watercress is a powerful but often overlooked green that can significantly boost your heart health. It's packed with antioxidants and phytonutrients that protect your arteries from oxidative stress. Watercress is one of the highest sources of dietary nitrates, which help lower blood pressure and improve blood flow. In fact, just a handful a day can improve your heart function. Another leafy gem is Swiss chard. It's loaded with magnesium, which is essential for heart health. Magnesium helps regulate blood pressure and keeps your arteries flexible. A deficiency in magnesium can lead to arterial stiffening, increasing the risk of heart disease. Research from the Journal of Human Hypertension shows that people with higher magnesium intake have up to 37% lower risk of heart attacks. And then there's arugula, which is often ignored but offers incredible benefits. Like watercress, it's full of nitrates that improve circulation. But arugula also contains vitamin K, which helps prevent calcium buildup in your arteries, a leading cause of arterial stiffness. Keeping your arteries flexible is key to avoiding heart disease later in life. These leafy greens may not always make the headlines, but they offer serious heart protection. Adding them to your diet can be a simple but powerful strategy for keeping your arteries healthy and reducing the risk of heart attacks. They're affordable, easy to find, and pack a punch when it comes to heart health. Don't forget to subscribe for more heart-healthy tips and tricks. You won't want to miss out on the secrets to a longer, healthier life. Chapter 4, The Omega-3 Revolution. Beyond salmon and fish oil. When you hear omega-3s, your mind probably jumps straight to salmon or fish oil supplements. But did you know that there are plenty of plant-based sources of omega-3s that can benefit your heart just as much? In fact, these lesser-known sources can be just as powerful when it comes to unclogging arteries and preventing heart disease. One of the best plant-based sources of omega-3s is chia seeds. These tiny seeds pack a punch. Just 1 ounce has nearly 5 grams of omega-3s. That's more than a serving of salmon. According to a study published in Nutrition Research, regular consumption of chia seeds can lower blood pressure and reduce triglycerides, both key factors in heart health. Flax seeds are another omega-3 superstar. They contain alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 that's especially effective in reducing inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a major driver of plaque buildup in arteries. One study in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that consuming just 30 grams of flax seeds per day reduced the progression of plaque buildup by 40% over a 6-month period. That's a huge impact from such a simple food. Don't forget about hemp seeds. These seeds are rich in omega-3s and also contain a perfect ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acids. This balance helps to reduce inflammation and improve heart health. A study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that a balanced ratio of these fats helps lower the risk of heart disease by improving cholesterol levels and keeping arteries flexible. While fish is still a great source of omega-3s, these plant-based options give you more variety. They're easy to add to your diet. Sprinkle them on salads, blend them into smoothies, or mix them into yogurt. And they're packed with the heart-boosting power of omega-3s without the fishy aftertaste. Chapter 5, Spices that Spark. Ancient flavors for artery health. We often think of spices as something that just adds flavor to our food, but they're far more powerful than that. Many ancient spices have been used for centuries to improve circulation and support heart health. Today, science backs up these traditional practices, proving that certain spices can actually help unclog arteries and prevent heart attacks. Cinnamon is one of the best spices for your heart. Research shows that cinnamon can help lower blood sugar levels and reduce cholesterol. A study published in the Journal of Diabetes Research found that just half a teaspoon of cinnamon per day can reduce LDL cholesterol by 10% and total cholesterol by up to 26%. It's also packed with antioxidants that reduce inflammation, a key factor in preventing heart disease. Another spice with powerful heart benefits is ginger. Ginger has been used in Ayurvedic and traditional Chinese medicine for centuries to improve circulation. Modern studies show that ginger can reduce blood pressure and cholesterol levels. One study in the Journal of Nutrition found that people who consumed ginger daily saw a 13% reduction in LDL cholesterol and a 28% decrease in total cholesterol. It's like a natural statin. Cayenne pepper is another spice that can spark your heart health. Cayenne contains capsaicin, a compound known for boosting circulation and reducing plaque buildup in arteries. Research from the American Heart Association has found that capsaicin can help reduce cholesterol and even prevent blood clots, lowering the risk of heart attacks. It's a spicy way to keep your heart in top shape. Spices may seem like a small addition to your diet, but their benefits can be enormous. Adding these ancient flavors to your meals is a simple and effective strategy to protect your heart and keep your arteries clear. Be sure to subscribe for more insights into heart health and wellness tips. You deserve to live a long, healthy life, and we're here to help you achieve that.